Being a part of the leading metallurgical holding company Novolipetsk Steel, DanSteel is the only business of this type in Denmark, and it is one of the leading plate mills in Western Europe, producing material for various construction purposes. The favorable location in Europe and the current production system makes it possible to achieve delivery to customers on a just-in-time basis. The main activity is production and delivery of heavy steel plates of high quality, construction and special steel to the European market. DanSteel produces more than 500,000 tons of steel per year. The main product is heavy plates that are used in shipbuilding, construction, wind energy engineering, and boiler pressure industries. DanSteel also produces profiled plates and plates with prepared edges ready for welding and further fabrication. DanSteel has its own harbor that makes it possible to receive slabs and send steel plates to customers by sea. Deliveries are possible by all means of transport, by road, rail, and by sea. The quality system complies with ISO 9001. The company is rich in traditions in terms of production of steel and is proud of its highly skilled staff in all departments. The slabs are delivered directly to the company's own harbor from producers that have certificates according to ISO 9001 and 14000, and certificates from the leading classification societies, ABS, LR, GL, TUV, DNV, etc. Most of the slab supply is guaranteed by the parent company, Novolipetsk Steel. The production process is fully automatic, from the moment an order is booked to the moment of dispatching. This makes it possible to ensure both deliveries on time and high quality of steel plates which are produced. The high quality is a result of the consistency and high accuracy of the manufacturing parameters, from the reheating of slabs to the rolling plates, according to given data based on computer calculations. The present quality system secures high product traceability and prevents incorrect delivery. Every steel plate produced has a trademark and a stamp that verifies its origin. Both uniform test procedures and extensive automation minimize the risk of errors to zero. We can produce plates in a variety of different delivery conditions. For example, in the as-rolled, furnace-normalized, normalized rolled, or thermomechanically controlled rolled conditions. We have sufficient capacity to allow us to perform heat treatment of practically any amount of plates. In order to ensure the high quality of very heavy plates, we perform some additional operations. The customer can choose the means of delivery, by sea, by rail, or by road. The majority of plates are transported by sea. This kind of transportation makes it possible for DanSteel to transport plates of large dimensions. DanSteel has a long-term modernization program that includes specific projects up to 2013. We have already put into operation various new facilities, a new hot leveler, a service center with profile cutting and edge preparing capabilities. We have also built a new slab yard for processing slabs, which includes high-precision flame cutting machines. Construction of a special facility is also underway, where we can handle very heavy plates of large dimensions. This heavy plate facility will also include a normalizing furnace, plate inspection, and other facilities. Further developments include the replacement of the present rolling stand, which will significantly enhance our capabilities and product offerings. DanSteel produces shipbuilding steel at the range of 6 to 100 millimeters, construction steel up to 460 MPa, thickness 6 to 150 millimeters, width up to 3,300 millimeters, plate weight up to 30 tons. DanSteel AS constantly increases automation levels in all spheres of production. Even the processes of the preparation of samples for testing of mechanical properties, as the tests themselves are carried out in an automatically controlled manner. This ensures high accuracy, reliability, and fine precision. High-powered computers ensure the necessary speed and the accuracy of calculations in production. DanSteel is aware of the importance of environmental protection. However, DanSteel goes further than just fulfilling our legal requirements, and an example of this was a decision to build mounds up to 5 meters in height in order to minimize the effects of industrial noise on the local community. These mounds will be planted with greenery, in addition to a lot of green areas already present at the premises. DanSteel continues to enjoy good relations with the local population in Frederiksberg.